안녕하세요, 여러분. This is Sienna. Today we're going to learn how to say Happy Anniversary in Korean. Anniversaries are an important part of Korean dating culture. It's common for people to celebrate their 100-day dating anniversary with a gift. Wedding anniversaries are also important for married couples. You may have a situation where you want to wish someone happy anniversary in Korean. So, how do we do that? Well, first of all, in Korean, the word for anniversary is 기념일. To wish someone a happy anniversary, you might say 즐거운 기념일 보내세요. If you want to use a shorter expression, you could say 기념일 축하해요. If you're greeting your parents or an older couple and wish to use more formal language, you might say instead, 기념일 축하드립니다. This is the version of the phrase you should use when you want to show more respect. Of course, couples wish each other a happy anniversary too. In this case, you would not use either formal or polite language. Instead, you would use the familiar form. 자기야, 기념일 축하해. This means, honey, happy anniversary. There are several ways to say happy anniversary in Korean. If you want more practice with them, we have an article with additional examples. I'll put a link to that article in the description below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to like and subscribe. It helps us know which videos are most helpful so we can make more of them. Bye for now!